Hey everyone, Adam here. Welcome back to another video. This one, we got an exciting one. We're going to be talking about the top 7 Facebook ad creatives to accelerate your Shopify revenue. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first one here on the list is the us versus them. Now I have actually 2 very distinct examples on here. So one is basically comparing your brand and your products compared to the competition. And then this way is like talking about the older way of going about something and then the newer way essentially. So on this one here with this brand, they basically sell these reusable mats that can be used for numerous different things. Basically bedwetting, continence, like pets. There's a lot of different use cases. But then the old way is like, we basically have nothing there and just sheets get soaked essentially. And then the new way is basically using the product that has fully absorbs, 100% leak proof, lasts for 500 plus washes, peace of mind and good sleep. That's the first one there that really, really helps. Pretty much almost a guaranteed winner every single time. So 100% give these a test in your account. Number 2 is UGC. These are all creatives that we did for our clients here.
3 reasons why.
So many different ways you can go about it. This one here, 3 reasons why. This was actually the winner, actually using a bit of reverse psychology, saying 3 reasons why you shouldn't get method lashes. So a bit of a play on words there, but it actually was like, I think it was about 3 times as profitable as the other 2 just by switching that around. It's basically like a split screen format here to intro in terms of the hook, and then just talks about the main benefits. This one here, really, really nice, where basically she's green screening herself and just and then highlighting the pain point here of dandruff, and then a nice little review there as well, calling out like a little tweet there as well too. Last example here, just for a quick one, talking about dandruff, another issue there, and then basically have her talking about it, and the other one her showing the problem, and then showing the products and talking about the solution, all that sort of stuff. UGC is definitely needs to be on your creative radar there. Number 3 is a story video or a founder story video. This is not one of our clients here, but Zach Stuck, basically founder of Hollow Socks. He has this one here. It's crushed it. And he basically did 2 different versions of it. One, it was more of a story. And then the other one is basically, today I'm going to give you 4 reasons why you need to ditch your wool socks and give these alpaca socks a try. So one of them is like a story version of like, hey, I was dealing with this pain point. I can't create this brand, all this sort of stuff. And then this one here is like, hey, I'm founder of Hollow Socks. Here's 4 reasons why you need to give this a try, essentially. So nice little split test there. This one here is a lot of B-roll kind of talking about their tree planting. They bought this Greyhound bus, all this sort of stuff. And then basically now they're creating these products in the forest and using forest ingredients, all that. This one here, basically talking about, I like how he's going on a walk with it, just a casual little, doesn't even seem like an ad. And basically just going for a walk and just explaining the story. This one here.
Hey.
I originally thought it was long and drawn out, to be honest, but ended up getting over 1 million views and absolutely crushing it. Basically, these 2 founders here talking about their pillow that they created. It was about 2.5 minutes long, but it's an older demographic. Like the average demo is probably like 40 to 60 or 70 or so women. So they obviously have a longer attention span. You don't have to have fast cuts every 3 seconds. Like you can have a little more long drawn out one. Now, those are examples of founder story video. Let me actually just give you an example of just a story. So this one here, it's under one of our clients, basically talked about a story of how what her hair looked like 7 years ago, all these issues with it and how it was falling out in clumps. And then basically from there started developing these products and then just try to test it on herself. And then next thing you know, a lot of people ended up really liking it. It got featured on Elle and all these different magazines and all that kind of stuff. And a nice little call to action at the end. So very, very clean ad there. So basically it doesn't have to be about your story, starting the brand. It could just be a story in general too. So we give that one a try as well. Next up one is a demo video, keeping it really simple. So here's basically that mat there, just laying it flat. I think demonstrating how waterproof it is. Obviously, a kid's not going to wet the bed that much. That'd be pretty bad, to be honest. I mean, but you can see there like how much she pours on there. And then she like rubs it in and then takes it off and then shows that it's all dry, basically. And then, yeah, that's it. Move from the bed, put in the laundry, good to go. So that's basically just an easy classic demo video showing off the product and really just demoing it. Okay. So that's the next one. Next one here, very simple, is basically just a product static. Whether it's honestly, as you can see here, this one is like a dust collector essentially. They do really well, product statics. Definitely give it a try. Sometimes like you put all this effort in creating this long drawn out ad, do all this work, and then sometimes you just launch like a product static and it ends up outperforming. So this is why I'm giving you guys a wide range of different angles here. This one here is one of the highest performing ads on the account, to be honest. I think it's got like 2,000 likes on it, like 400 or 500 comments or something. Literally simple. Keep in mind, obviously, the copy is really nice and it's a great product that solves the problem. But regardless, a very, very simple ad that's just straight to the point. Okay. Lifestyle static. This one here, I'm client of ours, Belle Kazan. You can see here just a nice little, it's not like a product. She's out right on the beach or so, showing it off essentially. So that's another one you really, really want to test. This one was a nice winner as well too. Up next, carousel. Basically, this is more of a product carousel. Another version you can also test as well as a lifestyle carousel. Product carousel is obviously just studio shot or just of the products with no models or anything like that. Lifestyle carousel would be like different versions of this where they're at different locations, all of that sort of stuff. But this one here was a high performer as well. And last one, a little bonus, is a catalog. You 100% want to be testing these out. This is where it dynamically takes a set of products and dynamically shows them based off consumer behavior and all kind of stuff. And they end up performing very, very, very well. So definitely give that one a test as well. So that wraps it up. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Nice and short and sweet. Definitely give these a test. These are pretty much all winners. So hopefully you enjoy it and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for watching.